Tracking Remitly reference number is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open Remitly in Google Chrome. It is an American-based site to transfer free money all over the world. Click on Join Us to create an account. Here enter your country name. After this, type email to create an account and enter the password. Remember, you have to enter the 8-digit password. After this, click on Join Us button. The account will open. See the website with many pages like send money, transfer history, sending limits, and refer friends. Move the cursor to the welcome option in the upper right corner. Select the setting to give your complete information. The first one is profile information. Now tell about your name, email address, phone number, and sending money to and from. Go to notification and allow to give notification according to your wish. The recipient menu will ask you to add the name of the recipient. The next option is the payment method. Here you have to add a payment method. You can add your privacy choices. Now, click on the transfer history page on the header. It is the main topic. Here we can track the Remitly reference number. If we click on all transfer, it will give the track of all the money transactions with a number. Next is in progress, which will show all the transfer money that is in process. The last option will tell about all the delivered transaction history. Here we see nothing because I have not transferred any money yet. After this, move the cursor to the right and see if it will show us the history of 10 transactions per page. Here we have a download option to download the history. In this way, we can track the Remitly reference number easily.